I'm building a birdhouse as a Valentine's present for my mom.
Gee, it doesn't look like it's going so well.
No kidding.
Hey, folks, John Madden here, reminding you that Ace is the place for Valentine's Day. Now, Justin, how about a little help with that birdhouse, huh? Hey.
All right!
Justin, Ace carries a full line of power tools to make any Valentine's project a snap. Like this bad boy, the Barracuda combo drill and staple gun. Just hold the wood together for me, Justin.
Hey, John, how can you tell which part is the drill and which is the staple gun?
Well, it's easy. What you do is you just line it up like this, and then you pull the trigger right here.
Oh, my God, are you okay?
Oh, yeah, Justin, I'm just free. I just stapled my friggin' nutsack to my... Thought it would be a good idea to build a friggin' birdhouse with a machine gun. Nothing says Valentine's like a giant table saw. And when you need a job like a birdhouse done right, the Barracuda industrial miter always fits the bill. Just hold the wood for me, Justin.
Isn't the saw kind of big for the job?
Oh, would you grow a pair? Let's just use this pneumatic nail gun. Hold the wood for me, Justin. Here we go. Nail in my freaking butt! The nail went directly through that bird! Let's just use this diamond cutter, huh? Hold the wood for me, Justin. You know, I'm just used to this pain now.
No more.
We'll just use this giant spike sledgehammer. Hold it for me, Justin. Hold it! Oh! Right in my spine!
Can we just stop? This is insane!
Why don't we just go buy a birdhouse and be done with it?
You want a bird? Huh? Here's a bird. Let's build a house for that, you bastards. Now remember, Ace doesn't only have power tools that can kill you. They have regular tools, too, like this plain old hammer and nails. Hold the wood for me, Justin. Oh! I am this close to walking off the set. Do you hear me? Oh! There you go, Justin. A job well done.
Wow, it's great.
Your mom will love it.
So remember, folks, Ace is the place for Valentine's Day.
By the way, it's Valentine's, not Valentimes.
Go a pony, Justin. I just lost my eyeball, my nutsack, and half my internal organs. If I want to call it Valentine's Day, I will call it Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day from Ace. Boom!